Wall Street is on fire. Trump just wiped out over $6 billion from the US stock markets with one simple decision. Remember 2008 and the Great Recession? Well, what we're seeing right now might be the start of something even worse. And the reason? Trump and his tariffs. But while the world is panicking, we traders are rubbing our hands. Because if you know how to trade, this could be your most profitable period ever by far. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that has shaken the entire world. The crash on Wall Street, the chaos caused by Trump tariffs, and most importantly, what this means for you as a trader, especially if you're a Forex trader or thinking about becoming one. Because trust me, in times of crisis, panic and uncertainty, it's not the end of the world for you. It's an opportunity. A huge opportunity for those who know how to take advantage of it. So what's really going on? A few days ago, Donald Trump, the man who always finds a way to surprise us, announced the new 10% tariffs on all goods coming into the US, and even higher ones for the countries like China, countries from European Union, Japan and Vietnam. The markets went crazy. The Dow Jones dropped over 3,900 points in just 48 hours. Nasdaq and S&P 500 both lost nearly 6%. In other words, more than $6.6 billion disappeared from the markets like this. Investors are panicking, the media is going wild, analysts are already predicting a recession, and this is just the beginning. Trump says it's only the first step. JP Morgan increased their recession forecast to 60%. Experts say US GDP might fall by 0.3% next quarter and unemployment could rise to 5.3% by the end of 2026. Even billionaire Mark Cuban warned that this trade war would be worse than the Great Recession in 2008. He said Trump has no idea how badly these decisions affect regular people and small businesses. Is history repeating itself? Back in 1930, the Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act helped trigger a global depression. In 2002, Bush imposed a steel tariffs. The result? Hundreds of thousands of jobs lost and markets dropped by over $2 billion. So yeah, history shows us that these moves don't end well. But what does this mean for us, for Forex traders? Unlike long-term investors who are losing huge amounts of money right now, we as a traders live off volatility. The bigger the chaos, the more price movement is. The more movement, the more opportunity to profit. Currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY react instantly to news like this. One tweet, one announcement, and the market can move 100, 200 or even 300 pips. But this game isn't for everyone. You need to know when to enter, where to exit, and how to manage your proper risk management. And that's where I come in. I've been trading for 5 years and I know this kind of market is when real money is made. So if you want to learn how to trade smart and take advantage of this volatility, join my free The 1FX Forex trading group. In the group, we share professional trade signals, daily market analysis and setups, education and strategies, the most transparent results, everything is public, nothing is hidden. And the best part, the group is 100% free. So you're probably thinking, how is it free? Why is it free? Is it bad group, bad signals? No guys, the reason my group is completely free is because my sponsors are paying me, so I don't need to take money from you guys. So how can you join my The 1FX trading group? I have two different options. Option number one, open a real trading account using my broker with a minimum $500 to $1,000 first deposit. The second option is to buy a funded challenge and I'll pass it for you with my team and you will get free access to the group. So far, we passed over 250 funded accounts, and the best part, if we fail, we will refund you full amount. If you have any questions, just DM me on my only verified Instagram profile, boristheone.fx, and I'll send you all the necessary information. So remember, crisis equals opportunity. Don't panic. While most people are running and selling in fear, you need to learn how to see what they can't. Forex is one of the few businesses where you don't need to wait for better times. We make money in situations like this. A crisis is just another word for a chance. If you're serious about changing your financial life, this right now is your moment. If you like the video, smash that like button. Tell me in the comments what do you think about Trump's tariffs and the market crash, and of course subscribe for more powerful analysis and educational content. So see you in the next one, and don't forget, stay smart, take opportunity while others are panicking.